you tell me what is the number one requirement when you are searching for a job? Is it experience? Is it reference? Is it your contacts? Or is it buttering? Then my answer is no. It is your resume. So hi people, welcome back to my channel. In this video lecture, I am going to talk about what is resume, why there is a need for a resume, and number third, we are going to discuss about three basic types of resume, that is your chronological resume, combined resume, and functional resume. So without any further ado, let's get started. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that notifications bell so that you are notified every time I post a video. The word resume is primarily used in America, but outside the America, people mostly use the term CV or curriculum vitae. Now you must remember that curriculum vitae is a Latin expression. Okay. Other thing which you must remember about resume is that all the student of business communication, please note this important point, that there is hardly any difference between CV, resume and biodata. All of them are informative enclosures to the covering letter while you are applying for the job. But there are some scholars who argue that biodata is least sophisticated than resume or CV. So please note this important point. A resume is brief but informative summary of your professional experiences and achievements. It is the most essential part when you are applying for that dream job. So yes, only resume can get you through the job interview. How you make the resume will make all the difference. So yes, now let us discuss why there is a need for a resume. Now think yourself as a product and your resume as a marketing document. Its sole purpose is to get through the door, get you through the job interview. It is just like the advertisement targeted towards your future boss. Now let us discuss three basic types of resume. Number first is chronological resume. Number second, we are going to discuss is functional resume, and number third is your combined resume. So yes, let's move ahead. Let us discuss about the first type of resume. First type of resume is your chronological resume. Chronological resume is also known as traditional resume. One of the features of the chronological resume is that it lists the job experience in linear fashion, either starting with the first job and ending with current job, or vice versa. It has objective or summary at the top. One of the biggest advantage of the chronological resume is that since it is a linear fashion type, it gives neat and organized look to the resume. It creates a very good impression on the minds of interviewer. When this type of resume offers flexibility. In case if you want to do any additions or subtraction, you have to just incorporate one more section. In case if you have to add any new experience, or if you want to delete either of the experience which you think that it is not relevant for the position you are applying. Let us discuss about the disadvantage of chronological resume. Skills will be very difficult to spot unless and until it is specified. Second biggest disadvantage of chronological resume, that it is not good for the people who have employment gaps in their career. Now let us discuss about second type of resume, that is your functional resume. Functional resume is also called as skill-based resume, just as the name suggests, skill-based. Okay, now skill-based means it focuses on the skills and strengths which you have. The one of the advantage of the functional resume is that over here you can talk about the experience or skills which you have gained from unrelated position. Or you can emphasize any relevant skills you have learned by volunteering classes or volunteering any event. One of the disadvantage of the functional resume is that the content appears to lack depth. That is the reason most of the employers does not like a functional resume, because it gives hint to the employer that you are trying to hide underemployment, lack of career progression, or employment gaps, or something of that sort. Now let us discuss the third type of resume, which is combined resume. Now combined resume, as the name suggests, it is the combo which highlights the features of both the chronological resume and functional resume. Now combined resume is also called as hybrid form of resume. This combo highlights strengths and skills at the beginning and all the position which you have in your career experiences, just like in the chronological resume. One of the useful formats for the people who are changing careers. Now, one of the biggest disadvantage of the combined resume is that it is not advised that such resume is used by graduates or people who lack experience. So yes, combined resume is completely no for the people who are just recent graduate or who are not experienced. Recently I had made a video on non-verbal communication. If you want to watch that video, I will give the link in the I button above. And if you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, so that in the further videos we will talk about more such concepts.